Find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down. I will begin counting down from 30 to 0. As I say each number, visualize it in your mind. Close your eyes and gently lift them upward beneath your eyelids, about 10 to 15 degrees. This will create an inner screen, an imaginary canvas. On this canvas, you can project the numbers. They may shift and change, like the countdown before old films. You may also imagine drawing them, writing them with your hand, or stamping them onto this canvas. Allow your thinking mind to rest. Focus on the numbers and let them calm you. Breathe deeply, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. With each breath, your body relaxes more deeply. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Your mind becomes calm and free. 18, 16, 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Now, focus on an area of your body where you feel a block or pain. Breathe into this place several times, imagining a healing green light filling it. If you can reach the area with your hands, gently place your palms on it. Your hands channel a flow of healing energy. They bring relief. Breathe this green light into the affected area. Now ask your body a question. The response may come as thoughts, words, images, feelings, sensations, or memories. Something may arise, or it may not. Do not judge. Do not feel disappointed. We are beginning a communication with your body. Repeat silently after me. Beloved body, is there a message you want to share with me? Take a few deep breaths and allow any message to rise gently to the surface. Do not push or force anything. If something comes, write it down after the meditation. Beloved body, is there a message you want to share with me? If you are a believer, you may now invite Christ into your presence. Invite also his Father or the archangels who are close to you. If you follow another path, call upon your own higher spiritual authority. Repeat slowly after me. I call upon my inner wise power. Together with Jesus, the Holy Spirit, and the loving archangels, to help me release the pain, the tension, or the stiffness from the unwell part of my body. Feel and observe how this heavy energy begins to leave your body. Inhale, breathe deeply and slowly. With each inhale, gently tilt your head back, straightening your spine. With each exhale, bow your head forward, aligning your back. Do this gently, slowly, with full awareness. Surround your entire body with pure white light. White light heals. It brings clarity of mind. It is the color of honor, purity, and protection. You are fully immersed in white. Your whole body is wrapped in a healing aura of white brightness. If there is a place in your body that hurts, bathe that specific organ in deep indigo light. A strong, dark, blue-violet shade. Imagine this healing essence filling and wrapping the area. If this feels difficult, become a creative painter of your inner world. You can imagine holding a brush in your hand, painting the affected organ with color. You can pour the color over it, or even wrap the place or the organ with a ribbon of indigo. If the area suffers from inflammation, use blue light. Blue cools, calms, restores, and protects. It brings silence, peace, and deep relaxation to the mind. Blue is the color of patience, faith, acceptance, forgiveness, and inner independence. If an organ is weak, lacking strength or energy, and not functioning fully, surround it with red light. Red carries limitless energy, warmth, vitality, and strength. It is the color of enthusiasm, passion, sensuality, courage, optimism, motivation, and the power to achieve results. Use red as a powerful force for healing, for nourishing the blood, and improving circulation. Now you are completely immersed in white, with only the affected place glowing in the healing color you have chosen. You are healing. Repeat slowly after me. I call upon my inner wise power to fill this area with healing strength. May all the beneficial systems of my immunity be activated. And may my body return to a state of perfect harmony, balance, and radiant health. Inhale, bringing in healing. Exhale, releasing what is no longer needed. Inhale, healing comes. Exhale, what is unneeded leaves. Continue breathing in this rhythm for about a minute, allowing the energy to gather and grow stronger. Now imagine warm, golden light flowing gently through your entire body. It washes over your spine and restores everything that has been injured. It heals and brings your mind back to its natural balance. Rub your palms together for 5 to 7 seconds until warmth arises. Hold your warm hands about 1 centimeter from your face. Feel the healing energy of your hands and then place them gently on your eyes, your cheeks, your face. Stroke yourself softly, sliding your hands down your neck to your heart. Let them rest, crossed over your chest. Now open your eyes with the awareness that you have activated your inner healing intelligence. End of meditation.